guys, hi beauties, hi lovelies, how are you all doing? I'm doing great. I hope you all also rocking, and welcome back to my channel. You're watching Anu on YouTube. So today's topic is on I'm going to review Ayurvedic product which is excellent, and it's a do-it-yourself DIY face clean and also skin repair that is from none other than Amrutham. So Amrutham is a fantabulous brand. uh, Fantabulous brand. They only come up with natural and 100% Ayurvedic product. This is none other than, yeah, Amrutham face clean, yeah, face cleanup. uh, do it yourself. Do it yourself, and also clean and skin repair. And this contains chironji, yeah, chironji, kesar and chandan, which is very good for skin. And yeah, what does this claim, the product claims behind this? Amrutham face cleanup extract the dirt, grime from the skin, deep cleans your skin and the pores. It also prevents, yeah, it has sorry it this product has antibacterial properties and also antifungal properties, which helps in prevention of acne and also dark spots. As such, kesar and chandan gives natural glow to your skin. Directions: take a little bit on your palm and just gently massage on your wet face. So it's 250 rupees, you can see over here. Manufacturing date is 3 years, so nothing to worry. You can see over here 3 years from the date of manufacture, and it has manufactured in January 2019. So more years to go, जब तक तो ये खत्म भी हो जाएगा. Anyways, and the key and whatever ingredient they have incorporated in this in this DIY face wash is badam. Badam, we know that what is badam, almond, khashkash, chironji, kesar and bhasm, and also some haldi, yeah, water base. And this is 30 ml. 30 ml for 250 rupees, because I think it's little bit expensive, because as such it is totally worth. And it seriously it works, guys. I'll show you the product. This is plastic bottle only. Remove the cap, this one. And I'm extremely sorry for the noise. And the smell of this is, if at all anybody have visited Unani ka dukan, dawasas, this is dawasas. So the Unani ke dukan mein jo aapko smell aata hai na, herbal, totally herbal, that type of fragrance. Okay, so this is how I'm going to just show you how the product looks. It's like semi liquid. Are baba, I don't want to waste, guys. 250 डाल के product दिखे. Anyway, so this is how it looks. Pure. If at all anybody is watching this video and you have visited any Unani shop, and you get that herbal smell, whole shop will be smelling. So that type of smell. So just you have to massage slightly with your beautiful hands. Massage it and then rinse it off. And now I'm going to take a wet tissue. ये निकल क्यों नहीं रहा है? I don't know what happened with this. I don't know. It's not coming. Yeah. So you just have to massage gently and you have to wipe it off. and use this continuously, because I use, to be honest, in my previous video I have mentioned about the face cream, but prior to that I washed my face with this Amrutham face cleanup, and also for skin repair. And apart from this, I have seen changes in my skin, and I start from here with my neck to my face, and I'm seriously in love with this, guys. You can trust this brand Amrutham, and you will not regret. Invest in this. 250 rupees, 30 ml. Yeah, rat. Yeah, you can use it in night times, daytime, but little goes along. So this is excellent. So this is also one of the reason which is working on my acne or pimples, I can say. Totally worth it, guys. You trust me, you will not regret. I love this. Love. Awesome, from the brand Amrutham. I love this. Give it a try, and I leave the description below. And one more disclaimer, this is also not a sponsored video, guys. I'm doing myself, and even that brand is not aware that I'm talking about the product, because I like the product. So whichever products I like, I test on my face, I throw on my face, I keep my face on risk, and when I get good results, I share with you. And if at all I do, because I know my skin, right? So don't think that I'm endorsing a product, nothing such sort. Okay, so Amrutham face, yeah, do it. Sorry, DIY face wash, do it yourself. So if you like this video, you know what to do. Give it a like, प्लीज़ यार, गिव इट अ लाइक. इतना भी तो कंजूसी मत करो लाइक करने में. गिव इट अ लाइक, and also share with your friends, family, neighbors. That's it. And hit that red wala subscribe button, which is free of cost. Okay, and see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye and take care. Love you, and be natural always, and keep healthy. Be healthy. Love you all.